Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas135.
135. How have we done 135 of these? Okay, so today we're back to some of the MOEMs problems. Or problems inspired by MOEMs problems. So we actually have a pretty interesting question. It's a little hard to understand, but once we understand it, we should be able to do it. For how many integers between 1 and 200 is the sum of the digits equal to 4? Well, so first of all, do you know what sum of the digits means?
It means what, like 1 plus 2 is like 3?
Yeah, so if I have a number like 27,
Sum of the digits is 9.
well, because 2 plus 7.
Yeah.
Sorry, my marker's a little bad. I thought I had a better marker than this. 2 plus 7 equals 9. What about the number 143? What do I have to do the sum of the digits?
1 plus 4 plus 3.
1 plus 4 plus 3.
It's going to get us to 8.
That equals 8. Okay, now here's a tricky one. What about the number 7? What's the sum of the digits?
7.
7. Just plain old ordinary 7. I'm just 7. Blah, blah, blah. Okay? Alright, so we're trying to figure out how many integers between 1 and 200 is the sum of the digits equal to 4. Okay? So where do you want to start?
How about we could start on the 20s at 22 because 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, but starting in the 20s isn't necessarily a great place to start.
Yeah.
So where do you think a good place to start would be?
Maybe at 1?
Okay, at 1 would be interesting. Switching markers. 1 would be interesting. So we can start first with the numbers 1 through 9, the one-digit numbers. And what are the one-digit numbers that are going to have sum of the digits equal to 4?
Just 4.
Just 4. Okay. Not bad. So maybe we'll make a little chart over here. That's 4. Okay, now, what about the two-digit numbers?
There's a lot of two-digit numbers. We could start at 10.
Okay, so the two-digit numbers come next. We're going to start at 10. So those start, what about the ones that start with 1?
Start with 1.
Okay, the two-digit numbers that start with 1. What two-digit number starting with 1 is going to have the sum of the digits equal to 4?
13.
13, very good. And what numbers are we going to go to next? The two-digit numbers that start with
2.
Start with 2. And what two-digit number that starts with 2 is going to have sum of the digits equal to 4?
22.
22. Okay. So what should we go to next?
We should go to the two-digit numbers that start with 3.
Okay, so the two-digit numbers that start with 3.
That's 31.
31. Okay. What's next?
And the two-digit numbers that start with 4.
Okay, start with 4. Okay. What two-digit number starting with 4 has a sum of the digits equal to 4?
40.
40, yeah. Okay, what should we go to next?
We should go to the two-digit numbers that start with 5.
Okay, two-digit numbers that start with 5. Well, if it starts with 5, how are you going to get sum of the digits equal to 4?
Well, yeah, it's already bigger than 5.
It's already bigger than 4. It's already equal to 5.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So maybe we could go to the three-digit numbers.
Right, so we're done with the two-digit numbers. That's it. Those are all the two-digit numbers whose digits sum to 4. Okay, so now we'll go to the three-digit numbers. So the three-digit numbers we have are from 100 to 200. Now, does 200 work, by the way?
No.
No. So all of our digits start with 1. All of our numbers, I mean. They all start with 1. So the first ones are going to be 1, 0, something. So 101, 100, well actually 100, 101, 102. So what number, what three-digit number starting with 10 has a sum of digits equal to 4?
103.
103. I'll write those over here. 103. What one should we go to next?
We could go to the we should go to the 110s.
Right. So we go 1 1 something now. And what's our number going to be there?
12.
112. Yes. Awesome. What do we go to next?
Go to the 120s.
120 something.
121.
121. And what do we go to next?
The 130s.
All right, 130.
It's just 130.
It's just 130. What do we go to next?
We go to the 140s.
140s. Oops, 14. What numbers here work?
Well, I don't think any of them work because 1 4 is already equal to 5.
Right, right. So they don't work. So this is all of them because we're done. We know our 200s. We stop at 200, so we know no bigger ones work.
Mm-hmm.
If we went up to 300, we would have to check in the 200s.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's it. So the question was, how many of these integers between 1 and 200 have a sum of the digits equal to 4? So how many of them are there?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Great job. So that's about systematic counting. So we start with the low numbers and work our way up. Then we start with the bigger numbers and work our way up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Do you think you understand that?
Yeah.
All right. Great job, Sweetie Pie. Great job.